Hey, it's Aran here. This is a Kajabi tutorial with a really interesting question from one of my clients. So basically, this person has a membership and it is currently at $37 a month. Previously, it was $27 a month. And they are wanting to reduce the price of the membership from $37 to $27 without causing a headache for the existing members who are at $37 a month, where they have to resubscribe, cancel, resubscribe, and so on. So I did a little research on Kajabi and Stripe to see if that can be done, and I wanted to share my findings with you. So what you need to do is I'm creating a coupon code called Stripe10, and this coupon code is going to be basically $10 off a specific subscription. Now, you should know that I always recommend that when you're doing a membership or a subscription or even an email funnel or something like that, you always want to be subscribed to yourself. So I'm subscribed to my own membership so I can always see the payments come out to make sure there is no hiccups. I started doing that and subscribing to myself for testing purposes after I had a client who came to me because that person had literally hundreds of members and they did some mess up on how they set up their membership subscription, and they had hundreds of people whose subscription on the second month didn't go because they made mistake. So this is why I really recommend, and they didn't find out about it till 2-3 months later. They were like, where's all my money, right? So this is why I really urge people to do that, okay? So now in this case, I'm gonna basically create the coupon for this particular offer that is relevant to the account that I signed up, like the offer that I did a test with. So now I've created the coupon code and it is called Stripe10, and I'm gonna go to the Stripe account that I'm basically signed up with, like myself. Now this is the offer. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to update the subscription, and then we'll see if it lets me do that. So now when you're here, you see I'm basically billed $19 a month every month, and I'm going to click on add coupon. Now this is connected to Kajabi, so I can see the coupon right here, Stripe $10 off forever. I'm going to click on submit, and now you will notice the next invoice is $9 a month as opposed to $19 a month, which was what I had before. Obviously, this is my own, this is my own money anyway. I'm paying myself just to make sure it's all working. So that's okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on update subscription, and you can see the next invoice is going to be $9 a month. Now, if I go back to my account in Kajabi, I'm actually not seeing any difference at all in the Kajabi account. But when I go to Stripe, you can see the next invoice is $9 as opposed to $19 because I added this discount. So I believe this is how you can basically do it. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to wait until the 23rd, which is another, 20 days, 18 days, just to be like 100% sure. But from what I've seen, this is how you can do it. So hope that's helpful. And that's about it. Thanks. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you got value from this particular tutorial. This is a very typical question that I get in my tech support membership, which you can check out. There's going to be a link somewhere around here. And there's also going to be a little video where you can actually check out exactly how it is that I help people and how I answer these questions. I have a tech support membership. I answer questions in under 24 hours. I've got a support team helping me as well, and over 100 members to assist entrepreneurs just like you who are struggling with technology or don't want to waste your time trying to figure things out and rather ask somebody who already knows, will do the research for you, give you the tutorial so you can save time, save money, and focus on what you enjoy doing instead of the techie stuff. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out. There's going to be a link somewhere around here and in the description. And that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and also subscribe to the channel so you can see other videos like this. And I'm going to show you some other videos here that might be of interest to you. That's about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.